Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we show you how to rectify aluminum welding. When we manufacture aluminum sliding gate or any items from aluminum, we should to take care about this connection between section of aluminum. But if we see some mistake, as we see this video, we should to rectify by this way, by this grinder. The welding between two sections for horizontal and vertical with this section should the same level. No edge appear to see in the section. But if we see, we are going to rectify as this way by use grinder like sanding, as we see in this video. This better and easy way to rectify welding between all aluminum sections. As we see in this video, this welding come up, and now we rectify this. This aluminum sliding gate will finish this paint. This means powder coated. We will upload video to show you how we make powder coated this type of paint, but it's very nice paint and more expensive. We are going to rectify by use grinder like this. This mistake welding, we rectify like this by use grinder. After that, we will use sanding machine, and we are going to again to apply powder coated. It's easy way to rectify welding between all aluminum sections. No again problem we will see. We uploaded some video to show you how we install some types of aluminum like masrabiyya, like window. Now we use sanding machine like this. After we use this sanding machine, we will again to apply powder coated. In our channel, you will find more amazing knowledge about construction engineer job. If you are interested, please don't forget follow our channel and press like. In our video, you can find more skills about construction job. We will upload some video to show you how we check this aluminum sliding door, and also how we check all types of aluminum.